Alright guys, so I'm gonna start off with removing these lights first of all, just to check if there's anything behind, and also do want to clean this rubber gasket that follows up here, probably replace it, just cause I'm already back here, clean the lights off real good. Just you never know what's behind there and stuff like that. But let's get to the lights. Pretty sure they're the same as almost all Subarus. But there are 3 bolts right there, 4 probably at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the wiring. And then from there it should pop straight out. Same on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. The wiring and pop straight out. So yeah, let me get those out. Get back to you. Alright guys, so I did remove one tail light out. This for me is my first Subi. I'm gonna show much love, so don't hate. But it's a what is it? A do and learn process. Like, never remove tail lights off, but there's no videos online talking about it neither. So what it is really is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts, and then there's this black sticky glue that like pretty much seals the headlight from like any dust, debris, water, anything that could damage the wiring inside, which is pretty cool. But it was kind of a pain in the ass to get off. But yeah, that's it. That's how you remove it. Just be careful not to break it. Don't yank too hard. I read online that you could actually push from the inside, or use a heat gun. Also use a heat gun. Heat gun work real good, I'm assuming. I didn't have one, so I had to actually fight. But there you go, it's off. And let me show you what I'm talking about. And that's it. So it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts and the black gooey stuff that I was telling you about. That was just making it impossible to come off. So I'm gonna try to take this one off now too, and that'll be the first video on how to remove headlights on a Subaru RS 2.5. It's just, I'm not saying, people probably don't know how to do it. It's probably hundreds of people already done it, this and that. But there's always that, that visual learning of like a video. You get me? Like, people probably could be like, oh yeah, like, I read it online that you could do this and that. But it's never the same as actually seeing it done. So you could have some type of idea on how actually it's done. How it's actually done. But yeah, so next I'm gonna remove this bottom cover. And there's actually 2 bolts down here. Phillips. Not too hard. I'm actually look and see if I can find some more of this sealant. And see where, where I can go from that. But I am gonna clean these headlights. I did want to tint this because I heard the JDM ones are actually a little harder to find. But I'm not too sure. I might tint it. I don't know. I'm gonna let y'all guys know. That'll probably be another video. Just stay tuned for that project. GC8. Cool. Now for this side. Here, let me show you what I mean. That there's this sealant in here. That's all for you new guys. I mean, this is my first Subi, like I said. I'm gonna love it. But yeah, check this out. See that? See that? And that's the sealant. That's the sealant that's pretty much makes it impossible to take out sometimes. But if you had a heat gun and you actually know where to put the heat towards, like where to heat, what areas to heat up, it should be, pretty quick, fast. 5 bolts and the sealant. So yeah, make sure you try to clean around this area as good as possible. Because when you do put the headlights back on, I'm assuming you do want to find some type of sealant to put back on it. I'm gonna look it up, see what kind they use. Probably try to get the closest thing I can to it. Like I said, I'm gonna try to not restore, like full-blown restore, but kind of just, get it back to good status, like, no rust or minimum rust, and just, change everything. I did take the wheels off, and calipers are pretty beat the F up. So I will most likely will be replacing those. See that? Pretty damaged. Kind of sucks. But yeah, that's on how to remove rear tail lights from a Subaru Impreza 2.5 RS. This is a 2001. Peace out, guys.